A 5-day fiesta of cramps, bloating and pain isn't anyone's idea of a good time. Luckily, we've got your back with these tips that will help you have an easy, breezy period. Lemons contain a good amount of vitamins and minerals that have an alkalizing effect on the body that help balance the body's pH levels, keeping it hydrated and getting rid of menstrual cramps. Now comes the hard part, removing stains from your underwear. I know, we've all gone through it. So here's an easy way to get rid of them. Abdominal cramps during your period aren't just a severe annoyance, but they quite literally cramp your style. So here's an easy yoga pose that you can do that will help you feel better instantly.
This pose is exceptionally good for you during your period, but even otherwise, it's a really good pose because it's restorative and calming. Place your sitting bones to the wall, then lie down and extend the legs straight up against the wall. Rest the arms by the side of your body, turn your palms up and breathe. Alternatively, come lie down on your back and lift the legs all the way up. Then bend the knees and place the calves on the chair. This may be slightly easier. Again, spine is flat to the floor and breathe slowly, resting there for at least a whole minute.
And if none of the other tips help you, here's an easy and effective remedy to stop menstrual cramps instantly. Stick your thumb to your forefinger. You'll notice a small pump where the fingers join. Relax and apply a gentle yet firm pressure on the spot for around 2 to 3 minutes. This will decrease the intensity of the pain caused by menstrual cramps. This acupoint relieves toothache, constipation, and hangovers as well. Hope these hacks help you have a pain-free period. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.